The statement of triangle inequality of complex numbers is the modulus of sum of two complex numbers is less than or equal to sum of their moduli. The modulus of sum of two complex numbers is less than or equal to sum of their moduli. Let z1 and z2 be two complex numbers. Now I am going to plot z1 and z2 in graph. Let us take the point z1 and name it as A, and take the point z2 and name it as B. So this is my point z1 and this is the point z2. Now I am going to draw a line connecting OA and OB. Then add both the complex numbers, that is z1 and z2. If we add z1 and z2, the point will be there. The result will be here. That is, name it as C. This point is sum of two complex numbers. So now join these points and also connect OC. Now find the distance of OA, OB and OC. So distance of OA, distance of OA is nothing but modulus of final point minus initial point. My initial point is origin, so modulus of z1 minus 0, which gives modulus of z1, and distance of OB, which is modulus of final point minus initial point, that is z2 minus 0, which gives modulus of z2, and distance of OC, that is modulus of final point minus initial point, which gives modulus of z1 plus z2. Now find the distance of A and C. So distance of AC, that is modulus of final point minus initial point, z1 plus z2 minus z1. Here plus z1 and minus z1 cancel, so it becomes modulus of z2, and distance of BC, z1 plus z2 minus z2, which gives modulus of z1. So distance of AC is modulus of z2 and the distance of BC is modulus of z1. The opposite lengths are equal. Distance of OA is equal to distance of BC, that is modulus of z1, and the distance of AC and the distance of OB is equal, that is modulus of z2. Therefore OACB forms a parallelogram. Now OACB forms a parallelogram. From the parallelogram I am going to consider a triangle OAC. I am going to consider a triangle OAC. In triangle, sum of two sides is more than the third side. So in triangle OAC, sum of the two sides, that is OA plus AC, is greater than OC. That is OC is less than OA plus AC. My OC is modulus of z1 plus z2 is less than OA is modulus of z1 plus AC is modulus of z2. Then I am going to replace, instead of z2 I'm going to replace minus z2. Modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2 is less than modulus of z1 plus modulus of minus z2. By the property modulus of minus z is equal to modulus of z, so which can be written as modulus of z2. So modulus of z1 minus z2 is less than modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. From these two things we can conclude modulus of z1 plus or minus z2 is less than modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. Modulus of z1 plus or minus z2 is less than modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. This is the first one. If suppose the origin z1, z2 are collinear, lies in the same line, then modulus of z1 plus or minus z2 is equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. You keep this as 2. So from 1 and 2 we can conclude modulus of z1 plus or minus z2 is less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. So this is the triangle inequality of complex numbers.